Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Craft Tree. So let's start with today's tutorial. I have taken an MDF board for this. You can take canvas also. We are going to prime these boards with the help of white acrylic. Priming is done now. Let's start with the next step. For coloring the base, I have taken shades of blues and greens and a bit of yellow and white color. You can choose any color theme that you like. We will start building the color with the help of a sponge. I am taking lighter shade of blue, which is a teal blue, and I am going to mix it with the help of white and yellow. I want the middle part to be lighter in shade. I will be putting darker shades on the sides and lighter shades in the middle of it. Keep on building the layers till the time you feel that the colors are merged properly. It may take some time, but eventually you will get the thing that you want. Now, as you can see, my bases are ready. I have taken 3 pieces. The middle one is a bigger one and the side ones are smaller. And now I'll be putting them in a way so that it will be a connected painting. Here I am painting few branches with the help of black color. If you want, you can first trace the design with the help of pencil and then make the final design with brush and black color. And if you are not comfortable with brush and black color, then you can definitely use black markers like CD markers, which is easily available in the market. And if you are new to our channel, then do consider subscribing by pressing that bell icon. And in the similar manner, we are going to make two birds sitting on the branch. You just have to make a silhouette, very easy to make, and it looks beautiful. Now I'm making few leaves on the branches. Here I'm writing a quote, "Life is beautiful," with the help of same brush and black color. If you want, you can first write it with the help of pencil and then you can trace it. You may use a permanent marker also instead of brush. Here is the set of paintings that we have hand painted, ready to adorn the walls of our homes. I hope you all have liked this video, and if you do so, then do consider subscribing to the channel. And if you try to recreate the same, then do tag me on Instagram so that I can share your creations with my audience.